Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing another what I eat video, this time a what I eat in a day video. I usually do what I eat in a week video so you have like a more well-rounded idea of my diet, but I wanted to vlog today so I thought I would kind of shape the video around food. I went grocery shopping and to the farmer's market yesterday and picked up some beautiful produce and other new things to try, so I'm excited to do that in this video and also just be back on cooking. I've been traveling lately and then I had a week that was kind of like an off week and I ate out a lot and was super social. But before we get started, I wanted to mention that this video is sponsored by Organic Basics. I'm wearing one of their tops right now, but you're gonna hear more about them later on in the video. So let's get into breakfast. To be completely honest, I've been drinking far too much coffee lately and relying on it a lot, but I really like it, so I let myself do it. This morning for breakfast, I'm going to be trying the Just Egg. I saw this when I was grocery shopping yesterday, and I was like, oh, I've never tried that. It's really in stock. I guess I should try it, so I'm going to have the Just Egg and some avocado on toast. Pretty normal, but a good way to spice up the avocado toast. And I'm excited to see if I actually like this. I look so puffy and sleepy today. I'm currently toasting some sourdough back there. I made the eggs. They cooked really fast and I tasted them and they were pretty good. I just used some olive oil, salt, pepper, a bit of paprika, and nutritional yeast when I was cooking them. I did burn them a bit so they're not looking their most egg-like. They truly looked like some scrambled eggs when I was cooking them. Very impressive. And they taste good too. I haven't had eggs in quite a long time though, so maybe if you eat eggs on a daily basis and you try these, you might be like, oh no, those don't taste like eggs, but to me, just like eggs. This is one of my favorite store-bought sourdoughs. You can also buy it like at the Union Square Farmers Market and other farmers markets around the city, not pre-sliced like this, and it's by Bread Alone Bakery. I love all of their sourdoughs, their rye sourdough and their whole wheat sourdough is really good. So I always just mash my avocado with a fork. I never try to slice it beautifully just because, I don't know, it's a lot of work. And personally, I like my avocados to be all mashed up. So yum, can't wait to eat that. So I ended up adding a bit of lemon juice along with Trader Joe's everything but the bagel seasoning, a bit of paprika and red pepper flakes to the top, and then I'm just having some blackberries on the side. I generally go through phases where I really like sweet stuff for breakfast or I really hate it, and I feel like now I'm kind of in an in-between phase, but I definitely wanted something more savory this morning. It's a very beautiful sunny day today. It's midday now, almost lunchtime. I have been sipping on some orange juice. This is like a treat to myself. I love orange juice so much, but I don't let myself buy it too often because I will drink an entire carton in like a day, which is not good. A lot of sugar. But I've just been catching up on some work, responding to emails. I also need to book a workout class for this evening, so I think I'm gonna do that now. It's nice to work out in the evening rather than the day when it's so hot outside. The yoga studio that I usually go to doesn't have air conditioning, which is fine. I like working out in the heat, but sometimes it's just too sticky in there when we are at peak temperatures. I want to talk more about what I'm wearing and the sponsor of this video, which is Organic Basics. Right now I'm wearing one of their tanks. I love to wear their pieces to work out, but I also just find myself wearing this stuff around my house because I work from home, and all of the pieces are so comfortable and also very thoughtfully made in terms of the environment and sustainability. Some other favorites that I have from them are their underwear and socks. especially their socks. I'm gonna have all my favorites linked down below for you guys. I also have a 15% discount code for you guys. It will be in the description box down below. The tank that I am wearing right now is made out of Tencel. If you guys watched my sustainable fashion guide, you heard me talk a lot more about Tencel there, but if you've never felt something that's Tencel, it feels softer than silk, but it's also lighter than cotton. And in summary, it is made from wood pulp. I will have some more information about Tencel down below if you're interested in learning more. And then the tees and underwear and socks that I love are made from GOTS certified organic cotton. GOTS is another certification that I mentioned a lot in that sustainable fashion guide. Sustainability is the absolute core focus at Organic Basics, not just a side thought, not just a marketing term, and I'm so excited to be sharing them with you guys and also getting to support them myself. As I said, there will be a 15% discount code down below along with links to all my favorite products if you guys are interested in checking them out. But now I'm going to go make some lunch. So for lunch, I'm going to make some of these Whole Foods brand chickenless nuggets. This is one of the cheapest, really good meat alternatives. It reminds me a lot of Gardein, maybe even better, and it's cheaper and you get more. And then I also got a lot of produce yesterday at the farmer's market, as I mentioned, so I think I'm just gonna roast everything now so that I have it prepped for the rest of the week. So I have this little, I believe it's a Japanese eggplant, a purple bell pepper, a sweet pepper, some okra, some green beans, and then all of these cherry tomatoes in this kimchi jar that I'm gonna roast. They're so pretty. So I'm just gonna pop these on the same tray that I'm doing the chicken nuggets and just cook everything. Season it well, but keep it versatile. So I add a lot of spices. A big tip for cooking meat substitutes like this is to add your own spices to them. I added paprika, jerk seasoning, garlic, and chili powder. And I added similar ones here along with like some salt and black pepper and cumin. I am really into Jamaican food lately, so I have been loving the jerk seasoning. It's very popular in my neighborhood, and there's a lot of good vegan restaurants that use it, and it's actually quite easy to recreate at home just by using this. So these are all gonna go in the oven for about 20 minutes, and I'm gonna flip these halfway through. Here is the final lunch product. I cannot wait to eat this. And I have so many leftovers too. Serving it with ketchup and mustard, and cleanup is super easy because I just used that one baking sheet, which is amazing. Okay, time to try. I'm gonna try the eggplant first because I don't know if I've ever had this kind of eggplant, or at least I don't think I've ever cooked it. Okay. I go back and forth with if I like eggplant or not. It's definitely not my favorite type of squash, but sometimes I really like it. Okra is always a favorite. I'm gonna eat this now. So I'm editing this video and I realized that I didn't film a clip after I got back from my workout class. I was really craving a smoothie bowl, so that's what I ended up making for dinner, even though it would normally be a breakfast, but I just generally eat whatever I want. So I'm starting off with some ice, which I usually don't do, because I usually use frozen berries and frozen bananas, and it creates a really nice consistency. So we'll see how this turns out, since I'm just using fresh ingredients today. So I'm gonna go in with some blackberries. Blackberries are some of my favorites. And then a full ripe banana. I'm also going to add some dates. Fresh dates are the best, but these pitted ones are fun too, and then you don't have to pit them. So I feel like I want it sweet, so I'm gonna do 4. But usually with natural dates, I only do like 2. These ones are smaller. And then I love adding ground flaxseed to my smoothies and on top of my smoothie bowls. It just adds a really nice nutty flavor, and it's also super good for you. Adds a bit of protein as well. And then this is a luxury, but I've gotten kind of hooked on it. There's barely any left. Hopefully I can get some out. Is coconut butter, and it makes your smoothies tastes so good. Get a hefty bit out. Makes them really creamy and nice. And I did receive this as a gift from Cat Beauty, but I'm gonna go purchase some for myself soon. And then I'm also gonna add in almond butter because I like my smoothies to be thick. So I did about 1.5 tablespoons of that. And then adding a bit of milk or water as well. Definitely not my most beautiful work because without frozen bananas it's a little liquidy, but I added dates and walnuts and almond butter and cacao nibs and some extra flax to the top. So that's a wrap on this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you again to Organic Basics for sponsoring this. I will have the links down below as well as my discount code, and I will see you guys soon with a new video. Bye!